I'm not gonna do the whole introduction. It's been a minute. I'm about to do a tutorial on this here pattern right here. I couldn't find no video on YouTube, so I'm about to make one for y'all, okay? It's my way. I'm self-taught, so let's make it do what it does. We are gonna do this pattern. So, jacket B. So we need pattern 15, 9, 10, 8, and 16. It also says it right here. All right.
But like it tells you what pieces you need. So,
Another pattern. Let's see, what is this one? 16, undersleeve, cut 2, up to 42 size. Okay. Basically, I fold my fabric as small as I can and fit the small pieces on there first, cut that, and then when I get to the bigger pieces, I fold a bigger piece of the fabric and cut that off. So, but on the back of the package, it tells you how you can fold your fabric, where you can place all the pieces, and how you can cut it that way more effectively. But I do what works best for me. So do what works best for you. So I know y'all see me doing a little jig over there, but I got the book and I use it as a weight, so my pattern's gonna slide while I'm trying to cut it. 1, stitch side panel 10, right there. 2, under collar 8. All right, so that's gonna be like the collar, this little piece right here. It's gonna be that black piece right there. So it's all one piece on pattern 8, which is in there somewhere. Anyway. You gotta make sure all this line up, and yeah, we're gonna sew that together. Then we're gonna move on to, we're gonna skip step 2 because we're not doing belts. I mean, not belts, welts, which is like the pockets. So we're skipping that, skipping that, skipping that, skipping that. We're gonna go to step 7. So from 1 to 7. So you're gonna sew down that way. This part will be folded like that, but whatever, we'll get to that. So this part right here is the collar pieces. You want to sew them right sides together and just sew down. I'm pretty sure there's a better way that you're supposed to do this, but yeah, that's what I did.
where I cut the extra seam allowance out, but don't do that. Leave it so you can press it down and it'll look straight, because you know if you cut it too short you won't be able to press it down and it's just gonna look bulky. So you see how bulky that looks? Yeah, don't do that. So here I'm just pressing down the interface, and it's supposed to help give your garment structure. And this is just an iron-on adhesive type of thing. So it's pretty easy. Technically you're not supposed to put the iron directly on it, but I do what I want to do. Do what works best for you. I ain't have no rag while I was on board. The only rag I had was to wash my body with, and I wasn't going to use that for this outfit. And then this is what I was talking about, pressing the seams down. You see how flat that looks and don't look all bulky? Make sure you do that. Hey, so look, I know I told y'all before to go ahead and sew down the collar pieces. Don't do that yet. You're going to cut out pieces where you put your interfacing on, then you're going to sew that onto the actual front piece. So do that first, okay? Sew that down. All right, press down your seams and then sew down your collar pieces together, okay? Like I told y'all, I'm self-taught. The instructions are not clear at all, so I'm learning as I go. So this is not going to be it's not going to be the best tutorial, but it's going to be better than what we have out there because there's not a tutorial for this pattern. So now you can actually see the structure of the interfacing. I need to figure out how to cover up that back collar piece. Y'all see it? Granted, the back of the neck is going to cover that part up, but I'm pretty sure I sewed that wrong. I'm thinking you have to sew wrong sides together, so because you're folding it and then it'll be right sides that's showing. I don't know, man. We're learning together, but it's gonna have to do. And right now you just see me attach the back piece to the front piece of the jacket, and then we're going to sew down the sides. So then all you have left is to do the sleeves, which you see me doing right now. I'm going to press down those seams, you know, whatever. Okay, looking all smooth. And then now I'm just, you know, sewing the end piece. So all I have to do is like pin the actual armhole into the armhole into the armhole. And then you will be done. Now that was a lot, so I skipped it because I didn't want this video to be too long, but there's plenty of videos on how to put in sleeves, so I feel like I ain't have to really show that part. So if you see me stopping, it's because I'm over there watching TV with my friends. We're watching All American Homecoming. So yeah, distracted easily. So this is somewhat the final result. I ain't pressed down all the seams and I still got to clean it up, but that's pretty much it. Bye.